Being a working dad comes with its challenges, but there's one common trap that many fall into, unknowingly setting themselves up for failure. Why do so many working dads fall short? And how can you be the exception? Today, we'll explore the common trap that many working dads fall into and provide actionable tips on how to avoid it and be the exception. As a working dad myself, I've experienced the challenges firsthand and learned what it takes to succeed in both my career and family life. The common trap that many working dads fall into is the provider trap. This is where we prioritize our work above all else, thinking that providing for our families is the most important thing. But the truth is, this approach can lead to burnout, strained relationships, and a sense of failure. So why do working dads fall into the provider trap? It's often due to societal expectations, pressure from employers, and a lack of a support system. But there's good news. By recognizing the provider trap and taking steps to avoid it, you can create sustainable and fulfilling work-life balance. The key to avoiding the trap is to prioritize by having intentional presence. This means being fully engaged and present in the moment when you spend time with your family, putting away distractions like work phones and focusing on building meaningful connections with your loved ones. By doing so, you can break free from the provider trap and still meet your financial obligations as a father. Being a working dad comes with its challenges, but by recognizing the provider trap and taking steps to avoid it, you can create a more sustainable and fulfilling work-life balance. Remember, being a good working dad is not just about providing financially, but also about being present and engaged in your family's life. Share your thoughts and personal experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on work-life balance and personal development. Together, we can navigate the challenges of being a working dad and thrive in both.